So if you take a look at my screen here, you will see that I have 150 credits here for absolutely free. I'm going to be showing you how you can use this website to generate unlimited Kling motion action videos. Okay, quickly let me go down here and show you. If you check here, you can see I've created a whole lot of this action motion videos using this, a whole lot of them here. You can see that I've created here. So I've been doing that for absolutely free because I understand that these things are quite expensive for some persons to actually subscribe to the normal website of Kling and every other Hixfeed and all those other platforms that offers this service. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you the step by step. As you can rightly see here, you can see Kling element, Kling tree, Kling 1.6, Kling 2.6, all the elements, everything you need on Kling, you can create them here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to go ahead and show you the step by step on how you can actually make use of this. Okay, so I'm just going to log out of this my account. Okay, then I'm just going to go ahead and show you exactly how you can do this. Okay, so quickly let me log out and let's get started from afresh. Okay, so as you can rightly see, this is the website we're going to be using. Is called Figma Weaves. Okay, now, there are a whole lot of method I've seen other persons use, even myself I've been using in the past, but trust me, the website has actually blocked those method of you using logging with Figma and using this website, this particular one, to generate a lot of emails and login. Okay, but trust me, this one doesn't work any longer. It's been patched. So I'm going to be showing you what actually works. I don't want to start beating about the bush and all that. Okay, so first and foremost, all you need is Gmail account. Okay, for me, I have lots and lots of Gmail accounts that I actually use on this thing. If you don't know how to create Gmail account without you verifying your email addresses, then you just going to watch this video that I actually created somewhere here. And that shows you how you can generate lots and lots of Gmail accounts without phone number verification. As you can rightly see here, you can see I have a lot of Gmail accounts I've been using on this website already. Okay, so for us to get started, all we just need to do here is just to click on this button that says login with Google. Okay, Google works flawlessly with this particular website. When I say Google, I mean Gmail account. Okay, so what we're just going to do here, we're going to click on this button that says use another account. Okay, remember I have other account that I've been using here, but now it's going to say use another account. That is what I'm going to click on. Okay, then here I'm going to choose the email address that I want to use on this particular time. Okay, so I'm just going to go here and put in my email address. Okay, so after putting my password, then I'm just going to click on next here. Okay, so after clicking on next, it's going to take us directly to the website of Figma Weaves. Okay, remember I told you that you can always use your Gmail account, and if you don't know how to create, like I rightly said, I created a video, or you can just go on YouTube, find how you can generate unlimited Gmail account. Okay, so when it brings you to this interface, this is how the interface looks like. Okay, so all you need to do here now is just to click on this button that says create new file. Okay, now we click on this button that says create new file, then it's going to bring you to this interface here. Okay, so when it brings you to this interface, you're going to see where it welcomes you. Then you're just going to click on this keep for now. Okay, click on this keep for now, and this is how the interface looks like. Okay, and if you go here, let me take my webcam back here, and here you're going to see your 150 credits here. Okay, each time you log in with a new email address, it's going to offer you free 150 credits that you can use. Okay, now when you exhaust this 150 credits, you can decide to log in with another different Gmail account. Okay, now, for you to start creating your Kling Motion Control video, all you need to do here is just to click on this buttons that says import here. Okay, then you're going to put it inside here. All right, this is your first stuff here. This is where you're going to be putting your video. Then you're going to pick on this import again. Then you're going to drop the second one here. This is where you're going to be putting your image. Okay, the picture that you want to imitate or to reference the video. Okay, so Okay, so when you click on this button here, it's going to take you to your accounts folder. Okay, so here I'm going to choose the video that I want to use. Okay, remember the first one is for the video. Then the second one, I'm going to click on the second one. This is where you're going to be putting the image or the picture that you want to use to generate the video. Okay, so here I'm going to scroll down and choose an image that I'm going to be using. Okay, let me quickly look for an image here. I think I have a whole lot of images here, so I'm just going to look for the one that I'm going to be using for this particular video here. Okay, so I'm going to choose this image here. Okay, so while we wait for the image and the video to actually upload here, the next thing you're going to be doing is this. See, you have just 150 credits. Now, this 150 credits, if you're just going to be using it exactly the way it is, trust me, it's going to consume a whole lot. Okay, because on this particular one, this is on Kling 3.0. Okay, you remember Kling 3.0 actually consumes a whole lot of credits more than Kling 2.6. Okay, so we're going to be using Kling 2.6 here. Okay, now for us to use this Kling 2.6, what we're going to be doing is this. You're going to right click on your mouse. Okay, right click on your mouse this way. Okay, when you right click on your mouse there, you're going to click on this import model. Please take a look at the import model. You're going to put it here. Okay, now when you do that, then you're going to go to this website. I'm going to be showing you this website that's where you're going to be getting the Kling 2.6 from. Okay, this is the website. The link to all this website is actually going to be in the description of this particular video. Okay, now when you get to this website, when you come to this search bar here, just type Kling here. Okay, now when you type on Kling here, let me quickly show you the name of the website. The name of the website is actually called fal.ai. Okay, like I already said, it's going to be in the description of the video. Is fal.ai. Then when you come here, you just scroll down here. Okay, look for this particular one, this Kling video v2.6 here. Okay, now why are we using this Kling 2.6? Because it consumes only 50 credits whenever you create a video. So in that case, that means that this 150 credit that we have here, we'll be able to use it to create 3 good videos. Okay, so you're just going to come here, like I rightly said, then you're going to right click on it. Okay, right click on it, and then you're just going to copy this file. Okay, now when you copy this file, then you come back to Figma here. Okay, remember this particular import model here, then you're just going to right click on it and paste this 2.6 that we just copied from file.ai. Okay, now pay attention to what is going to be happening here. Okay, so here you can see we have video, we have image, and we have prompt. Okay, so we need to connect this video here, okay, to this video here. Why this video? I don't know why it's taking long for this video to actually upload, but we're going to wait for this video to upload. But how this actually works is that we're going to connect this video here to this video. Okay, we're going to connect here. Then you're going to look for image here, this image URL. Then you're going to connect it to this one that is the image. Okay, while we wait for the video to actually upload. As you can rightly see, the video has actually uploaded. So here we have our video, and also we have our image here. Okay, now you just need to click on this button here, because you see it's on image, so you have to change it to video because we want to create video of this image. All right, then the next thing you're just going to do is just to come down here, then you click on run. Okay, now this is going to take just 50 credits out of this 150 credit that you have. Okay, so we're going to click on run. Okay, so you can see they're going to click on accept here, right? Then if you check it, you're going to see that it's going to start running already. Okay, as you can rightly see, this is the final outcome of the video. Okay, so you can see this is the image now presently turned to a video here. Okay, so if I want to expand it, I can expand it this way, right? And then we can go ahead and play the video here. So you can see it's already a video now, right? So that's how simple and easy it is for you to actually get this thing done. Okay, just follow the process that I showed you, and all the link of all the websites I mentioned is going to be in the description of the video. Okay, just go ahead and use them. All right, hope you got value. Okay, and if you got value, don't forget to like the video. Okay, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one, but take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.